this label before you sign. Rimmer Brothers, classic parts. Fragile.
Oh, they use French in England too, huh? Let's see what's in here first.
Nice.
Ooh, window fitting kit. They even wrote on it personally for you.
What have we got? Some adhesive,
Ultimate
sealant.
something, yeah.
Ooh. Look. Probably all in German.
Ooh, look at that.
Fancy.
Germans do make the fanciest
Yes, they do.
engineered stuff, though. Okay. They gave us, I guess, one kit for each window.
Yeah, dude. Oh, dude, that's beautiful.
Look at that. Here comes the magic part.
So, what did we do here then?
We had to drill out all these rivets.
So Ross has got all the rivets drilled out.
Because the English love rivets.
Okay. Wow. Ross is actually not using a punch. That's a #2 pencil he's holding.
Oh, yeah.
Believe it or not.
That's a Stanley Fat Max 1/8" pencil. That's some graphite right there. I bet that's exactly
Is it?
what it is.
Oh yeah, it goes all the way. Hello.
I never liked you, doggy, anyway.
Hey, look.
Oh, look, it's a roll-up.
Look. Hey, Ross.
Hey, look, you're right.
Look at that.
Nice. Like, right, mate, you just run right down.
That's the ticket right there.
It really did. Just glue the shite.
So now we just gotta prep the area, drill out the rest of the rivets, clean it up. And, all right, this side's just about ready and prepped. Ross is just cleaning out the other side. We got all the rivets out.
Excess dirt.
Just getting all the crap off the side. For anybody that's ever replaced the screen on an iPad, it's almost the same. You gotta have a clean, smooth surface so that the glass sits flush. Now if there's any pressure on it, it doesn't crack. All right, we've got the back end, both sides primered. Ross is prepping the Alpine glass. Poke it.
That's what she said. Oh yeah, maybe I didn't get all the way through there. Gosh, what the hell?
What is happening?
Oh, there it is. Oh my gosh.
Wow. Oh my gosh. Is that how much you're supposed to use?
Why didn't I buy an electric one of these
I
things?
don't know.
Holy shit. This sucks.
That's a lot of cock. There's a lot of black cock. Jeez. Oh gosh. Is that normal?
That's how you're supposed to put it
You
on.
are shiting me, dude.
Ah. I don't even know how I'm supposed to push this crap out.
It needs to be warmed up.
A little late now.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have a grip of.
Ross and Dr. Bruce, we are getting ready to put that over there.
Scary.
It is a little frightening.
Now, what side? We decided this is going towards the front or the back?
The thinnest part goes towards the front. So it looks, grab your measuring tape just to be safe. Let's just take a quick measurement and just.
5.5 long goes to the back, okay? I'll go here carefully. So So
back ended first.
and then we just walk it. And then when I start pushing it forward to the front.
There it is.
Sick.
One side done. Straight from Leicester.
This is a little too much pressure for it, I think.
This is getting out the last 3/4 of the way done with the black cock. Look at it, it just comes out like a ribbon. Just look at that. That is just amazing. It's a work of art.